A sequential circuit has two JK flip-flops A and B, two inputs X and Y, and one output Z. The flip-flop input equations and circuit output equations are JA BX plus B dash Y dash, JB is equal to A dash X, KA is B dash X Y dash, KB is equal to A plus XY dash, and the output Z is equal to AXY plus BX dash Y dash. Draw the logic diagram and state table of the circuit. Also derive the state equations for A and B. So this question is from digital design. Basically digital electronics. So a sequential circuit. Okay. So first we have two JK flip-flops. So this is one JK flip-flop. This is another JK flip-flop. Okay. So we have J input, K input. So JA, this is A flip-flop, JA, KA. This is QA, QA bar. This is output of the JK flip-flop. Similarly, this is JK flip-flop B, JB, KB, QB, QB bar. That is, it is a complement of QB. So the output we take from A. A is, QA is, this is the output A. And this is output B. From flip-flop outputs. This we know. And both the flip-flops are clocked. It is a synchronous sequential circuit. So we have a clock, common clock. Okay. So here we have the clocking signal. This is the clock input. Now what we have to do is, first you see the equation Bx plus B dash Y dash. We all know that X and Y is the input. So JA is Bx, so it's one AND gate, and you have another AND gate, and then OR gate, and the input goes to JA. Now Bx, where, so B is from here, B. So one input is B. Then you have another input X. This is from the outside world. Input. So this is the X input. Then the other input is B dash. B dash, this is B. Therefore this is B dash. So this B dash we can join like this to the AND gate. So here we have B dash. And then we have Y dash. Y is another input. So you have Y. You put a NOT gate. So here you will be having Y dash. Okay. Now JA is over. Next we have to take into account KA. KA is B dash. So B dash is here. So it's just a AND gate. First input is B dash, so this is B, this is B dash. So B dash comes over here, so this is B dash. Then X, we have the X input here, so maybe you can put a dot and then you can connect the X, and then Y dash. So this is Y dash, this is Y, this is Y dash. So from here you put a dot and connect here. This will be KA. Now JB. JB is A dash X. So this is A, this is A, this is A dash. So A dash will come over here. So this is A dash, A bar. And X from here we have to carry on. Instead of doing like that, you can just put X here. That means this point and this point are connected together. So that will be the input for JB. Now KB is, you have a AND gate and an OR gate. So this will go here, another straight input. So for KB X Y dash, so once again one of the input is X, another input is Y dash. So you all must remember that this X and this are all connected together. It's a single point. Y dash, it is from here. And the other input is A. So this is A. This part, the A means this is connected here. That's the meaning. A means from here you can connect like this. Now you will get KB. Apart from this, we have the output Z. So Z is given by you have two AND gates, okay, followed by a OR gate. So this is our output Z. So this input is A, X and Y, and the another input is B, X dash and Y dash. Now this A is connected to here. This X is connected here and all are connected. Y, you know, it is connected here. B is connected here. X bar is connected here. If this is X, you put a NOT gate. So if you want X bar, here from X, if this is going to be X, it goes straight. Then you put a NOT gate, you will get X bar. Okay, that you connect it here. X bar and Y bar. So Y bar, Y put a inverter, you will get Y bar. That's how you will get the output for Z. Now we have to write the equations. This is the diagram. I have not connected all the lines just because it will becomes very complicated. Now we will see how to derive the truth table. So initially what you do is you assume this to be 0, 0. The present state of A and B, assume this to be 0, 0. And X, Y are the inputs. So how to do that? So we have present state and next state. Another paper. So now we have to derive the input to the system is X, Y, and also we get the input from A, B, present state. The next state depends on these values. So it was A, B. So this is present state PS and this is next state. Now don't forget, since we have 4, so we have 16 combinations. It can be 0. The next will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Likewise, it goes up to the last value 1, 1, 1, 1. So for this case, what we have assumed is the present state is assuming an initial condition of 0, 0. A, B is 0. And we assume X, Y also 0. That means we have taken into account this 4 as the input. We know the excitation table for JK flip-flop. So JK flip-flop excitation table I will give you. So JK QN plus 1. So this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, don't care. So don't care, you can use 5 symbol also. You can put don't care into or 5 symbol. So I will be using 5 symbol. You can use into also. So don't care 1, don't care 1, 0. So this is the truth table for JK flip-flop. This is first row, this is second one, third and fourth. Okay. Now how to analyze? So we have assumed the present state for AB as 0, 0. Now XY also we have assumed that to be that means we have to fill up that complete table. So I am analyzing only the first case. So this will be 0, 0. Okay, this is 0. Here also 0. So what will happen? Since this is 0, for AND gate, the output is 0. So here it will be 0. Since this is 0, this will be 1. So one of the, here it will be 1. You have another input, it comes from here. Since this is 0, this is 1. So this 1 will come straight into the AND gate. 1, 1 will be 1. 0, 1 for an OR gate is 1. Now we have the J input. K input, if you see, this is 0. So if one input goes 0 for AND gate, the output is 0. So KA is 0. Okay, similarly, X value is 0. Therefore, this input JB is 0. Here X is 0. So therefore, this is 0. And A present state is 0, 0, 0. This is also 0. Now, if you carefully look, we know the present state of the two flip-flops. The input is 1, 0. At the same time, the current output is 0. Similarly, for B flip-flop, it is 0, 0. The present state is 0. Now, just carefully look into the table. So, once again, for convenience, I am writing it here. Maybe I will write it here. So, J, K, Qn plus 1. Okay. 0, 1, don't care, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Very easy to remember. Okay. JK flip-flop. So now, if you analyze for the A flip-flop, this is 1, this is 0. Present state is 0. So, J should be 1 and K should be 0. We are having this option. And we have another option also. J is 1, K is 0. We can, because don't care can be treated as 1 or 0. So we have this option also. But which one is correct? The present state is 0. So only the present state here it is 0. Present state here it is 1. So we cannot go for the fourth option. This is ruled out. So we have only the second option. So second option, if J input is 1, K input is 0, present state is 0, it goes to 1. So the next state will be 1. If J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0, this option, and present state is 0. So B flip-flop 0, 0, present state 0, it goes to the next state 0. See, we have here also don't care can be treated as 0. 0, 0, but present state is not 1 here. Present state is 0. So we have two options, this or this. But present state here is 0. So it goes to 0. We cannot take the fourth option. This is important. So now 0 is changed to 1. And this 0 is changed to 0. Now this is the condition. Now what you do is, with an eraser, you can erase these two values. Now this will be the present state. 1, 0. Next you have to go for the next case. Next case means 0, 0, 1, 0. So if you see for 0, 0, 1, 0 means this case we can analyze now. Analyze and the corresponding output we can take it out. So now I have analyzed for this one, and AB is found to be 1 and 0. Understood? 1 and 0. So now we know AB present state, AB next state as 1, 0. Likewise, you try to fill up all the 16 states. Once you have done all the 16 states, you can always you can form the truth table and you can get the circuit diagram, digital circuit diagram. That's the method. Hope you have understood how I have designed this. Now the last part will be the output. Since we know the first case XYAB 0000, this is the present case, you just fill it up here. All are 0, 0, 0, this is also 0. B is 0. X bar, that is 0 means this will become 1. Y bar, this will become 1. Anyhow, this is an AND gate. One input is 0 means output is 0. Here again, if we have a 0, therefore this is 0, 0, 0, the output is 0. As far as the first output is concerned, that is here I am putting Z, which is the output. For the case 1, the next state will be 1, 0 and the output is 0. Likewise, you have to fill it up for the entire 16 states, 16 combination, because 4 means you will be having 16 combination. So that's all about the design, digital design of this question. Hope you have understood the idea behind how to draw the circuit diagram, how to frame the truth table, how to see the excitation table of JK flip-flop. Thanks for watching. Nandri.